Hey everyone, a huge greeting from Metricom. Welcome to our quick explainer on construction dust management.
We're diving right in to focus on something crucial, protecting worker health and safety on your site. Think about site hazards. The absolute most dangerous thing out there might actually be totally invisible. That's right, fine dust. It totally bypasses your body's natural filters and gets lodged deep in your lungs. Everyday jobs like concrete cutting pump, respirable crystalline silica straight into the air your crew is breathing. Long-term exposure causes irreversible, awful diseases. We're talking about lethal stuff like silicosis, which is entirely preventable. Look, just spraying water randomly all over the dirt, that's not a real dust management plan, guys. You've got to shift your whole mindset. Stop reacting to the mess and start killing dust right at the source. Wet cutting safely traps particles, and on-tool extraction literally vacuums them up before anyone can breathe them in.
So, beyond the power tools, how are you handling those giant piles of raw materials sitting around?
Lock those stockpiles down. Cover them up, use water misting, lower your drop heights, and mind your boundaries. Cleanup matters just as much. Honestly, we really need to completely ban dry sweeping on sites right now.
Why? Because dry sweeping just launches all that settled, toxic dust right back up into your workers' faces.
Instead, you gotta mandate HEPA vacuums, wet cleaning methods, and low-dust sweepers for the entire project footprint.
And hey, PPE is great, but tossing a guy a mask without a fit test, that's just paperwork. Sure, a clean-looking site is nice, but a heavily controlled site actually prevents serious respiratory disease.
So ask yourself today, are we just moving dirt around here, or are we actively saving lives?